dare you say waddle? Wait, the game's playing? Hold up.
3 years in a row. But we haven't won yet. Ugh. To keep my energy up, I eat lollipops. I know what you're thinking. I'm getting so fat. But they're so yum.
What is going
This
on?
is my family. My older
Wait,
sister
please
Cordelia
stop.
won a gold medal in riflery last year. And she has a lot of secret I think are college scouts. My little sister Rosalind just got her license, which makes me kind of think the DMV are idiots.
Uh-oh.
Friends say my dad
God
is
damn.
a total dilf. But try as
Damn.
they might, they could never come between him and my mom. She is so cool.
Whoa.
Because of her, my sisters and I all wear our vaginas proudly. God, she and my dad love each other so much. Speaking of true love, this is my boyfriend, Nick. It F's me up how much I really like him. My family's throwing me a birthday party after school. Nick is totally freaked out having to meet my family for the first time. But I'm even more freaked out for him to find out about my family. Because even though they're the most amazing ever, some of our traditions are a little unusual.
Cool.
Nick's
I
already
need
so
to
sweet
stop
to never
this. I
complain
can't.
about my ginormous fat butt. If he finds out I'm the #1 world's biggest weirdo, he
Uh-oh.
might not stick around. I'd be so sad. I think I'd seriously cry forever. Oh no! I'm totally late! I was supposed to meet him before school.
Oh no.
So lame. Ugh. I hope Nick isn't mad. That's about the
Whoa.
worst thing that could ever happen.
Please tell me this sad in the cutscene. Okay.
Later.
OG mode. Also, I don't know if this is the original version or this is the Oh, it might be the redone version. With the quote-unquote better quality. But I might change it. Speed run to the... I haven't even played it. How am I supposed to speed run it? Maybe after.
Oh my god!
Oh! Ew!
Back off! No! Yeah! Seriously? Dude. The hell? And on my birthday, too!
Not on my birthday. Yeah!
Stupid! Undead douchebags!
Boink, boink. Oh, nice. Juliet Starling. Oh, I didn't get to read all of it. But yes.
This is so irritating.
Okay, before all that. Options. I don't think I have anything, so let's actually play the game. OMG. Okay. Why? Oh, I had to press down. Boink! Oh! Damn.
Jeez, it sucks when things explode.
Pom-pom bashes. Okay. And then...
Awesome!
Okay. And then Y is for my chainsaw. Woo! Hey! Die! Oh! Sparkle hunting. Okay. Cool. Okay, I don't think there's anything there. Whee! Uh-oh. Oh, shit! You know, just a normal day in high school. Oh.
Hold it right there. You zombie jerks.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Honestly, kid, I'm surprised you're not dead. Yeah. Off with his head. Boink. You okay, buddy?
Awesome. I'm still alive.
Pretty zombie medals.
Thanks, kid. Really great work. See if you can get anyone else out.
Nice. Bye. Is it laggy? Is it laggy right now?
Suck dick at driving.
Oh, I didn't know she could say suck dick. Okay, I'm trying to see if there's... Can I get over there? Hold up. I see coins and I want them. Come on. I jumped over a school bus. Oh, it's okay. Ooh, a lollipop. Boink! Okay, I don't think I need a refill on health just yet, so I'm all good. How do I get those coins that were over there? Oh, there you go. Let's go. Pro gamer. Oh, shit!
Your license should be revoked, bro.
Bro?
Oh, great. This isn't gonna be as easy as I
Low
thought.
slashes. Yeah.
Don't be looking at my skirt.
Yeah, don't be looking at my... Don't be obscuring me, bitch. Ha! What? B? Oh! Nice.
Just don't move. I'll take care of him. No big whoop.
No big whoop. Oh, bitch! Me! Yeah! Wee-ya! Boink! Push B near them and rip through them? Oh, okay. Ow, fuck off. Die! Hiya! Yeah! And then, there you go. Bye!
Great. See one more. I got it.
Ooh, jelly beans. Oh shit, they killed the on the side. Wow. Guys, wasn't, you know, isn't this the average high school experience? No, just me? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Jesus.
Come on. Get
Oh no.
away from me.
I'll save you!
Hold on, I'm coming.
Don't be a perv and look up skirts. I won't. Unlike some of you. Yeah! Die! Dude, I needed this. I needed this for my soul. Nice. And one more. Oh shit. Dude, calm down.
My favorite president is Warren G. Harding.
No! No, I won't.
Fuck off. Get away.
It's so rad to save somebody's life.
Oh shit. Get away from him!
I see a whole group of these undead bastards incoming. Meet me up ahead.
Also, can you get the fuck out of my way? I'm gonna hit you with my chainsaw, man. Hey! All right, let's go. Oh god, the audio broke for a second. Oh, wrong button. Boink. Keep going, girl. Right trigger? Ooh! Oh god, he's getting beat up while I do this. Hey! Oh yeah! Boink! Die! Die! This is so relaxing. This is what I needed. Ow! Fuck off! Also, you kid, get back here! I can't fucking take care of you when you're over there. Oh my god, there's so many of you. Hold up. Okay, hold up. There we go. Yeah! Oh my god! I don't even know what buttons I've been clicking. She does? Or is it just the pigtails that make her kind of look like that? Like a Harley Quinn. Hedgehog. Whee! Gotta go fast. Go, 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 die. Oh, God. Yes. Dude. This game is so goated. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Please don't hit the other kid. Oh, thank God. Okay, decapitate. And then let's go take care of this guy. Get out of here. There you go. Boink! There you go. Woo! We did it.
Glad you made it, pilot dude.
Bye! Uh-oh.
Hold on, this is too dangerous. I'll meet you in the square.
Uh-oh. Careful. Uh-oh!
Get off me, you bastard! Oh shit! Tell my wife
Oh no! He crashed over by the school and is probably dead.
She's probably dead. I have a phone in my...
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
Okay, Mom. Yo, I can't believe I have a phone in this. That's so cool.
Wow, now is the perfect time to do some shopping.
Ooh. Chop to shop locations are rare. Okay.
Time to shop.
Ooh. Okay. There's nothing I really want to buy right now.
Click, click.
Oh, these are skills. Okay, let's do the very first one at the top. Chainsaw chain.
Found something.
Cool. Okay. Final chainsaw power attack. I'll do this one. Oh, I can't afford it. Never mind. Threads. Oh, OMG! Oh my god. I can give her a seashell bikini outfit. Ooh.
Check this out.
Sailor outfit. There's so many outfits. OMG. Dude, I'm like, this is awesome. This is so awesome.
Click, click.
Oh, there's different things. I don't know what to get, so I'm not gonna get anything for now.
Oh,
But thank you. Can I put on the outfit now? Maybe. Oh. How do I change into that outfit? Am I in it? No. Okay, whatever. I'll figure that out later. I want to keep playing. Boink. Oh, boink. There you go. Hello. Ew.
get out of my way. I'm in a hurry.
Whee! Excuse me. Oh, never mind. I thought there was somewhere I needed to go. Whee! There's a new ability I got. Dude, that makes killing them so much easier. Jesus, I got mad hops, dude. Lollipop. Okay. Boink. How to cook zombies. Awesome tips. XXXY. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. Old mod. Okay. .zom. Whee! Go, go, go! Give me more bloodshed. Hey! Ooh, I can drop kick him. Uh-oh. Also, I should probably heal. There we go. Much better. What? There we go. Yeah, all the outfits are super cute. I'm gonna have to look. What? No. It's Father's Day. You know, maybe book a reservation. Maybe do that later, you fucking pervs. No! Hold up. What was the button for my ult? I forgot.
Ready?
Oh, I did it! I hit something and it worked. Woo! Boink! And one more. Boink! Oh, there's more. Wow. That was beautiful. Ow! There you go. And let me have another lollipop because I'm actually dying over here. Boink. Uh-oh. Yeah, he's so dead, bro.
Stay back! Get off! No! No!
Zombie's not dead.
What? Whatever that means.
Please move. I'm in a hurry.
Oh no, that George guy is dead. Ow, you fucker. Ow. There you go. stop! There has to be a way to block, and I just don't know how to. Ow, stop! Hold up, I need a lollipop. Lollipop break. Dude, that's... Stop! Fucker. Okay, hold up. Oh, never mind. Uh-oh. Hey. Whoa!
Hey, respect people's property.
Ow! Leave that shit alone, Jerry! Uh oh. Ow! Fuck off. Dude, he actually, like, knocks me down. Come on! It's because of your stank-ass breath. Okay. Just get these guys away from Jerry. Okay, I need to run. I need more healing. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. You guys won't let me attack. Okay, hold up. There has to be a way to dodge. Hold up. I just don't know how to do it. B is dodge. Okay. How? Okay, great. Okay, am I supposed to hit you while you're not being gross? You're being gross all the time. Ow! Come on. Oh. Oh, God. Okay, thank God you let go of it. I kind of hated you having that. Nice! Ha! Ew. Okay. Well, I used up all my lollipops, but it's okay. I needed it.
Oh, Nick, please be okay.
Uh-oh, where's my boyfriend?
Nick? Nick, are you here? It's okay to come out. Nick? Oh, please.
Juliet!
Oh!
Ah!
Yeah!
I'm so hungry.
Oh! No!
Ow! Shit!
Oh no!
Are you okay, Juliet?
Yes, Are you?
One bit me. Just a little bit. I don't know what that means. What does it mean?
Oh no, it can't be.
I feel it in me. I'm gonna become one, huh?
No!
Fuck. I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet. I don't want to fuck up your birthday.
My birthday? Don't worry
Aw,
about that. That's the dumbest thing ever.
Listen, I know it's stupid. We just started getting serious, but I wanted you to know. I know I've never said it or anything, but I kind of sort of, you know, love you.
I just sort of kind of love you.
Love you. Oh.
Oh.
Nick.
I just sort of fucking love you.
No, there's something we can try. It's the only chance we have to save you.
Juliet? What the fuck?
What the fuck? Uh-oh.
I love you too, baby.
Uh-oh.
Well,
Yay! Oh my god, I got a D.
Excellent.
Okay, B's not that bad. I guess. I could have done a little bit better, but it's alright. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. Oh, now we're in the high school. Okay. Yes.
Whoa. Juliet? What? Am I okay?
yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good. Juliet, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. What? Oh no. Oh God! Oh fuck! Oh God! Where's my fucking body? Oh fuck!
Don't get mad. I don't know what to do.
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed a magical ritual on your head. It was really
Oh.
hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Juliet? How? How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
Well,
This guy's smarter than he looks.
there's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of,
What? Juliet?
don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Coming to kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
Oh.
What? Ah! Ah!
Hell yeah!
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Don't hate me!
Oh, oh, come on! What the fuck is going on here? Hey, this is making me dizzy!
We'll pick up some antacids later, Nick. Right now we have to kill these guys.
Anti-acids? Whoa, he doesn't even have a stomach! Hey!
Another stupid
Fucker.
zombie?
Okay, after this, I'm gonna double check that I have. Hold up. I'm gonna double check that I have streamer mode on because I hear this song and I feel like this would get. Okay, it is on. Oh, cannibals! How do I answer the phone? Hold up. Tell me how to. Doesn't tell me. Okay, hopefully I'm not missing anything then. It should have been me! It should have been me! Yeah. I'm a magical girl. Oh shit!
Something exploded. What the hell was that?
Anything? I'm just not gonna answer him. 2006, June 27. Wow. Oopsies, wrong button. Sorry, not used to Xbox.
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
I'm Fitzgibbon, bitch!
This kind of math sucks.
Whee! Hey! Wait. Oh. Ow, you fucker. Test time. Oh, God. Alright, die. All of you. Oh my God, that was so beautiful. Oh my God. Oh shit. I thought he was gonna fight me, not run. Jump out the window.
What's this?
Bomber fest.
That's royally effed up.
That's some whack.
What? Oh, cannibals. I like the song. Oh God.
Leave me alone! Get away!
Oh shit. Oh my God. I'm coming, classmate. Whee! Oh yeah. Fuck off! Come on! Go! Go! Okay. Oh wait. There's two options.
I fucked up my math test. I need help.
Okay, you fucked up your math test. I don't think I can help you for that, brother. Ow. Hiya. You good?
I've got shit running down my legs from the fear.
Gross. Uh-oh.
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon again.
Uh-oh. Please don't throw that.
He gave me a D last week. Kill him.
He gave me a D last week. Kill him. Oh, you fucker. Come on, man. Let me get up. Fuck off. Oh my God. Okay, I think the uh-oh. Oh. There you go. All right. Die. Ow. Hey, you can't hit students. That's against the rules. Whoa. You see that backflip?
Well, I just have a screenshot.
What the hell? The goddamn... The goddamn terrorist on me.
Fuck. I think that zombie seriously had dynamite strapped to it.
Why would somebody do that?
Yeah, why would somebody do that? Damn. That was sick as hell. Normal American school, yep. Also, have fun, Jama. Have fun lurking. Also, I need a lollipop, like, right now.
Oh, that was close.
That'll make the 5 o'clock news.
Wait. Hi. Oh, what?
This zombie might work. Hey, Nick. We need to break through that wall. Can you give me a hand?
Give you a
I
hand.
don't have a hand to give.
Well, not yet, but that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
Like?
What?
Like maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
Huh?
How? Also, doesn't sometimes when Juliet talks, she kind of sounds like Twilight Sparkle, don't you think?
Just like this. Plain.
Oh,
Whoa,
shit, sorry.
Whoa, this feels weird. I'm blue and stuff.
Whee! Nice! Good shit. Ooh, shop. Shop.
If I use this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers.
Whatever, dude.
Whatever, dude. How do I answer the phone?
Dark, I couldn't see anything from it. I don't remember having
Who's calling? It might be my mom. I want to answer. It's okay.
I wonder what they have. There it is. Check this out.
Okay, I might just buy a couple because I took a lot of damage. Magic beans. This gives me an extra health bar, I think, or more power.
Click, click.
Let's do extra power, shall we?
Found something.
Mystical dumbbells that tone, shape, and permanently increase your strength. Ooh, okay. Nick Shake.
I found something.
Oh. Do I have anything? A spin?
That's it.
A triple X spin and a low severed legs. Oh, okay. And then I got a little bit left. Oh, hell yeah. I'm getting all this concept art.
Check this out. I found something.
I love concept art.
There it is.
Let's get some music. Because why not?
There it is.
And I have one more. Let's do zombie grab.
That's it.
XB. Okay. Cool. That's all I can afford right now. Thank you. Uh-oh. Oh! Cool, what does this do?
So sexy, Nick.
What?
Nick tie.
What? Oh my god! Nice! Thank you, Nick. Okay, let's go help out that guy. Excuse me. XB. Oh, he's just on the ground. I can't get him. Oh! Did you see that? Hold up, let me do that again. Oh! Anyways, hi.
You're late, Juliet.
I don't give a fuck. I just helped you, dude. Oh, is that another teacher?
How lame.
What? Heya! Uh-oh. Oh!
Thanks a lot.
That's a zombie, I think. Uh-oh!
What's the deal, dude?
Zombie cop.
Oh, ow! Ow, come on!
With a gun? No fair.
Yeah, no fair at all. Oh, what the hell? Ah! Okay, that's bad.
Ready?
And also I'm using my ult. Die! Die! Bitch! Nice! Oh, that was easy. Whee! Ooh. Oh, to the left and down. And then, oh, keep going down. And, hey! Yeah! Oh, hey. Dude, what the fuck? The way he's running is just crazy. Uh-oh. Oh!
Oh man, their bodies are wrapped with bombs.
We need to hit him and run away before they explode. Fun!
Dude actually got. Oh, these guys will. Oh fuck. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. Oh, thank God. Just take the whole thing. Okay. Uh-oh. Go back!
Oh my God!
What the heck is this?
Go! You think that would stop a school bus? I don't know. Can I drop down? There you go. Uh-oh. I'll save you! Oh, fuck. Oh, they're exploding zombies! Uh-oh. Oh shit! Nice! Sparkle landing! Okay. Let me just kill you before you explode. Thank you. You're good. Stop crying! You're fine. Thank you.
Pulled my underwear up my butt.
What? Uh-oh. Oh, come on. Where'd you guys get all these explosives anyways? BA? Oh! Oh God. Oh, come on. I missed the downward kick. Oh shit! I got all three of them. Yippee! Damn, did that girl turn into a zombie and I just chopped her head off? Great. Whee!
Look what those jerks did to our school.
Yeah, but it does get me out of my calculus homework on Friday.
That's nice. Go! Oh my God!
I'll be back for you.
What?
Cool, asshole.
Dude, he just fucking left. What? Why do you guys have bombs on? Uh-oh. What? Oh my God! I'm trying to smash Y, but it's my Y button is sticky for some reason. Oh my God, dude! I didn't know that you could pole dance. Whee! Yippee! That was so cool. Oh, excuse me. Oh, sorry. I didn't go through the door. And let's just go down and let's get out of here. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh, man. That was bad.
That's the dude who stranded us. Yeah, he's getting what he deserves.
But we can't let them all die, Nick.
That's true. We can't let him die.
Good.
Or we could. Pretty good argument you have, Nick.
Oh, I screwed up again.
Oh shit, did I kill the... Did I kill the guy? No! Oh man. I think I killed him too close to him. Oh. Oh boy. Okay. How are you? Oh my god, I'm Goomba stomping him. Why am I doing this?
If it bleeds, I can kill it.
Oh! I didn't know I was popping their heads. That was cool. Alright, let's go. Let's keep going.
Where are we going?
I need to
I don't know.
Morikawa-sensei. He'll know what to do.
Yeah.
Morikawa-sensei. He's my sensei.
A sensei? Like a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke Japanese.
Well, I can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one word.
Aw, your simple innocence is one of the most attractive things about you.
Yeah.
A kitten that doesn't speak Japanese.
Yeah, okay.
Dude, I fucking love Juliet, bro.
There's something else written.
Time limit 3 minutes. You lose and blam.
You lose and blam.
So delicious.
Yummy. Ah, let me in.
What? Game's already started.
Zombie basketball. Time you're killing them zombies. How many points can you rack up?
Oh. But yeah, that was the Lollipop Chainsaw. Ah, that was so good. I want to play more. And also, thank you for the hit pet. All right, let's go. Wee.